If you are having less than 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 2026, that you have missed it. You have missed the whole updates that we have been sharing since last year. So now don't worry, I am going to be giving you this update this year, and I'm going to be showing you one after the other how you are going to get your 1,000 subscriber, or even to be able to get up to 50 to 100 subscribers, so that you can start going live and start getting your watch hours. Because let me tell you something, to get 1,000 subscriber is hard, to get 4,000 watch hour is also harder. So but we want to start from somewhere, right? So in this video I am going to be showing you how I was able to get my own 1,000 subscriber, how other creators were able to scale up to 1,000 subscriber and even more on their YouTube channel, and the secret to how they were able to do this faster. You have been on YouTube for a very long time and you are struggling with subscribers. No, you're not going to struggle anymore, because once you finish watching this video, you are going to start doing the right things. Now, before I show you this method, I want to point out something. You are going to be doing this method in your niche, and if you find yourself doing it in another niche, what I would advise you to do after using this method to get your desired subscriber, to be able to go live, or to also get to 1,000 subscriber, that's if you wish, you can go ahead and put all these videos on unlisted or private. You put them on unlisted or private. Once you are done doing that, then you can now start deleting them one after the other. Do not delete at once, because you are going to get shadow banned on YouTube if you do that. Any video that you know that you don't want the public to see, first of all, what you need to do is to put it on unlisted or private. Then you can go ahead and delete later, one after the other, slowly. Now let's dive into this method. No long talk. So you are going to search for fingers react. Now what I want you to do is that you are going to search for this channel, because this is a reaction channel, like put a finger down kind of channel. So once you have seen their channel like this, you just view the channel, and then you see the channel, view the channel, and then go to they post mostly short videos. As you can see, they post mostly short videos. So view the channel, you're going to see videos that are performing very well. Then you go to their popular videos. So you can be able to collaborate with these videos and get your subscribers, your 50 subscribers, for you to start going live. So you just have to pick the one that is engaging and interesting. So I've picked this one, and I'm going to be clicking on that arrow sign. Now you can either use the sound and create a YouTube short, and then that sound will be added to it. So you can, maybe you have already created your video, just click on the gallery and then insert your video and use the sound. If you use the sound, you will still get the results. So but what I want you to do is that you need to use the collab feature. This is where you can use the timer in case you want to just create it first. You can use the timer. Now we are going to be clicking on the collab feature. Now you are going to collaborate with this video and create your own reaction. So you are going to switch it to the time where the put a finger down is going to stop. You are going to switch it there, like you are going to put it into the timer where you are going to put maybe all your fingers down. Maybe it's 5 fingers that is there. You are going to put it to that timer. Then you now start your reaction. So you are going to click next, and this is where you are going to click next. So if you are satisfied with where the finger down is stopping, you click next. So now you are going to click next. You just try and just make sure that you click next. Allow it to load. Then when it loads, now you are going to position yourself in a very good way, not the way I'm doing here, because I am not in the right place to do this. Position yourself in a very good way, put your finger up, and then start.
The finger down thing's only rich kids have edition. If you put more than 5 fingers down, be happy you are extremely rich. But are you one of the richest kids who can put their finger down on the last one? Put a finger down if you have AirPods. Put a finger down if you ordered food online recently.
So once you are done, this is the hack you are going to use here. Once you are done, you are going to click next, and then you have to put caption. You cannot leave your reaction like that. Put a caption that is engaging. Now in this place I was trying to look for a very engaging caption, like how many fingers did I put down. I was thinking no, they might not want to comment with that. I'll say, do you have a rich sibling? Did you get one or two of three fingers? Like if you got one or two of the three fingers of the five fingers, then you're a rich kid. So it's just to just get them to engage on your shot. Get them to engage. Put the caption very well. Change the front, change the text, change the color, anyhow you want to do it. When you are done doing it to your desired text and color and everything, then reduce it and put it into your own side of the reaction. Put it to your own side of the reaction. It makes the shot so spontaneous and engaging. This is going to get you a lot of subscriber. You can even write subscribe in this part. You can write subscribe and then continue, and then go and post your video. If you are not ready to post, you can save as draft, but put all the things you want to put, set your video, and then post your video. If you are doing this 2 to 3 times in a day, you are going to get a whole lot of subscribers. And if you know that okay, that is not the niche you want to go into, you can then unlist them. I've said it before. Now I want to show you this one I reacted to. You can see it has over 4,600 views, and take a look at how many subscribers it gave me. 30 subscribers. This is enough for you to enough. Once you add 20 subscribers to this 30, this is enough for you to start going live on your channel. So you don't have any excuse not to get subscribers on YouTube right now. It is so very easy to gain a lot of subscribers on YouTube. You can see people were already engaging on the video. They were saying 1, 2, 1. Do you understand? People engage on shorts more than long form content. They engage a lot. All you have to do is very simple. Click on this arrow sign you are seeing here, and then recreate any of the video that you prefer. You can create any of this video in this person's channel. It is very safe. Don't say that it is not safe, YouTube is going to demonetize my channel. No, it is safe. YouTube brought that feature for a reason. The feature is there for a reason. Now I'm going to be showing you another one. You can also search for Roblox. This is the channel right here, Roblox. You can also recreate, you can also collaborate with their video. You can stay alongside their video and then recreate their videos. There are so many channels that post only shorts. I cannot say it in one video. So you can use this too. So you can see now that this thing is showing use this sound and use template. It's not showing collab. Why? Is because this person does not want you to collab to this video. He only wants you to use their sound. So if you are not seeing the collab feature there, do not download the video with an external app and go and collab with it forcefully. They will demonetize your channel, or they will report your page if you do that. So be very careful. If only when you see that collab feature before you can use it. If the creator turn off their remix on their video, don't bother using it. Stay on your own. That is what I'm going to tell you. So there are so many channels you can do with this thing. Once you are doing this consistently 5 to 6 times in a day, you will get your 1,000 subscriber and even more. So do it consistently, and then if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and then subscribe to my channel.